TisyaBox. So today you're all been waiting for this finished product. Dun, dun, dun. It is the squishy vending machine, and this is how it looked at the back also. And if you want to see the back, just see the back from the glass. And also you're like, where is the glass? Here is the glass. It is protecting the squishies from coming through this way, because this will be closed and there will be no squishies coming from this way. So we have to protect here, right? And to block the squishies from the people looking and which they want to get, they can see from this, and also it protects it. And I really love it so much. And here is the inside mechanic. Open the door, click opening door. And when this is closed, and when we want to put the squishies in, we just have to open this flap up, as I said earlier in the other squishy video. And yes, at the front of here it says twist 360, like that, and also it says prize. And I'm going to do some more. So I'm going to write win prize over here. So let's do that now. So I'm going to be doing like that, so it'll be much easier. Win prize. The price already says it right there. And you know what? To add more detail, because see here, it doesn't look very nice. So what I'm going to be doing, adding some black polka dots, because I just love polka dots. Look on my pant, I'm wearing polka dots right now. So that's how much I love polka dots. Polka dot, polka dot. Right there. Another dot. Fine. Or I can just put one there, because I love dots everywhere. And put one there. And lastly, put one there. Wow! I really like it. Have you recognized what I'm recognizing? This looks like a ladybug, but a special one, because ladybugs are always red, and also this is blue. So it's a very special own ladybug, and ladybugs are very gentle as well, and they don't bite you. They just fly. And I love this polka dot design because I love ladybugs and I love the color blue. And over here in these sides, I have also made like flowers, and also a tiny bit of these type of 4 petal dot flowers. And over here I have also made like the sunflower. It's like a sun, but the dot is not big, and then the lines are big. Instead of the dot being big and the lines being small, the dot is small and the lines being big. You know what I mean? Yes. And also I did the same on this side. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go over with my Posco paint pen, white one, and I'm just going to see here in the dots, I'm just going to be covering them with the white one. So let's do it. So I'm going to be keeping it like this. And I'm just going to be going over it gently. Wow. Look at that. That is looking so good with the flowers. I love it so much. Wow. It's so amazing. And I'm not going close to it because the paint has to dry. So I'm not going to be touching it immediately. Wow, this is already looking so great and I love it so much. I love it. Let's just turn the box around. This side is done and I will dry it with a fan or a heater and I will be right back. And when you have a Posca pen, make sure to not, this is a very good tip, make sure not to touch the color and where you kept it, or else the whole thing will smudge. And I know you will be very sad. If that's a great drawing, I know you draw great. I'm just imagining your great drawings out there, and if you have a Posca paint pen and you just bought it, please make sure not to touch it because it's paint. But in a pen version, how cool! You can draw while painting. Enough of the Posca paint pen. Now I will be drying this and I will come back. Now it is dry the other side. Now let me do the Posca paint pen and now let's go over it. Wow! Drawing with Posca paint pens is very fun because you can draw while painting. You can experience the thing of a paint marker. Wow! It's just looking so great. I love white dots all around the flowers because that just gives more detail to the flowers, and I love flowers that are this just looks so great. I love it so much. We are nearly done. And there, just do that, and there, we are all done now. So again, as the same as the other side, I'm going to be just blowing my wind, and now it is dry. So let's turn this around like this. Let's just put the doors like that, and see here, I'm going to go again with my Posca paint pen and go over these what do you call them? The blue background where the black dots are. I'm not going to be putting it in the black dots, but I'm just going around the black dots, as you can see. Oh, I love it! I just love blue and white together. Blue and white polka dots together. Just favorite thing. Wow. And there. So I'm going to be just letting this dry for like 1 minute, and then it will be dry. And now let's turn it around. Now see these green, I'm going to be putting tiny dots on them, just a couple of them, because I love polka dots. They look so great already. I love it so much. I just love polka dots. And now that is done. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tying the rubber bands at the back so they can be closed, And also we can put the squishies in here. And now after we put the squishies, let's try the vending machine. So let's go one rubber band at a time. The box is ready. I love the design of it. I love the flowers, how it has the white dots. I just love the both of the sides, and I love where it says squishy vending machine and also win prize. And then this is my favorite part. I love the knob because it's like opening door. Like, let me open my door to get to my house. And I love it so much. And yes, here is the side, here's the other side, and here's the back, and here's the top bit. So the top bit obviously has the place where it goes on the squishy. This is my favorite spot. And yeah, let's take this mustard squishy. Let's just plop it in there. Since this is not going, let's just shake the box so it can go in. And let's twist it. Wow, I found this noise. Look at that. I got my prize. Let me do it again. Let me just shake the box and let me now do it. And then I got my prize. This mechanic is really working. Let's put more squishies in there so it could be like a real squishy vending machine, because a vending machine doesn't have one thing and people want to have one of them, and then they're like, there's only one. How am I supposed to get that as a squishy vending machine? This is not even working. It's like that, so let's put these squishies in it. Let's put one at a time, This is really working as a squishy vending machine. See through the glass? That's so cool. It's like a real glass. It's getting quite full. Wow! That looks like a squishy vending machine. Look, that's real vending machine. Let's turn it. I got my prize. Look, it's a cute navel squishy. Squishy vending machine is I really like, because if your friends come to your house and you can be like, do you want to play this squishy vending machine? And if you decorate it very nicely, people would love it. And also, you can tell your friends also if they have lots and lots of cardboard in their house, just like I did, then they can make this also. And I love it because it's like real glass. It's like, I can't break through. Okay, let me play the squishy vending machine. It's just like that. And look, it's just like a real vending machine, because it's like all the squishies, different types of squishies. Just close that. All the different types of squishies, and I love it because it says squishy vending. They all know if that says vending, then vending machine, obviously. And I love how this design looks, because blue is obviously my favorite color. That I've been telling all along. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later.